Hi guys, it's Yusha Abdurrahman here again, and I'm going to talk to you today about connected speech. What is connected speech? Well, connected speech is something that is going to help you sound a little bit more native. Come, check this out. Black coffee. This style. Need to. Black cat.
black coffee ايه يا عم؟ بيكون عندنا two words. أول word بتنتهي بالconsonant اللي بتبتدي بيه تاني word لازم نعمل drop لأول consonant sound. زي ما يوشع قال black coffee. دلوقتي هو نطق ال two consonant sounds واحنا مش بنعمل كده. فمش بنقول زي يوشع black coffee بس بنقول black coffee. black coffee. مش بنقول this style بنقول this style. مش بنقول need to black cat no black cat. تعال نرجع ليش تاني.
As Basant said, the rule for connected speech is really simple. If you take two words and the last letter of the first word is a consonant, and the first letter of the next word is the same consonant, then simply we drop a consonant. That's how it works. So we don't say black cat, we say black cat. We don't say this style, we just say this style. And we don't say black coffee, we just say black coffee. Guys, thank you very much for watching the video today. I hope you've learned a little bit about connected speech. I've been Yusha Abdurrahman, and my friend today has been Basant. And we both look forward to seeing you at SYE very soon. Thank you very much, and goodbye.
SYE أول مجتمع لتعليم الإنجليزي في مصر.